Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, this is your maths video class and we are learning geometry. Children, we have discussed about solid shape yesterday. We had discussed about cuboid, cube, sphere, cone, etc. And today we are going to discuss about straight and curved lines. Okay, so as we have seen in our previous video, and we have discussed about different kind of the surfaces. There are two type of surfaces. First is plane surface and the second one is a curved surface. Similarly, we are going to see into the line also. There are straight line and the curved line. Okay, children. So let's start. I'm going to describe that what type of the lines are called straight line or what type of the line are called curved lines. So children, if we are going to draw a straight line, if we will take some object which is straight, and on the basis of that object, if we will draw line, so it will become a straight line. Okay, so this is called a straight line, children. Okay, children. So children, this is called a straight line. And if we are going to draw with the help of the bangle, suppose this is the bangle, and if we are going to draw inside that line, inside that bangle, if I'll draw a line inside this bangle, so this will called curved line because it's having curved. So that is, it is called curved line. Okay. So this is curved line. So here children, there are two types of line, straight line and curved line. If we will draw a line beside that straight object or any object just like pencil or matchbox, so we can draw a straight line if the object is straight. Or if we will draw with the bangle or any circular object, inside that circular object or inside the bangle, we will get curved line. So curve, as you all know, it's having a curve, okay, and this is straight. So this is two type of lines we have already discussed in our previous surfaces, previous chapter, previous video also. So similarly, the lines are there. Now children, as we have discussed open and closed figures in our previous video, now on the basis of that, we are going to solve our exercise, that exercise number 12.2. So please take out or turn over the page number 181. We are going to discuss, we are going to write the answer of exercise 12.2. Okay children, so please turn over your page and we are going to start our exercise. So children, we are going to do exercise number 12.2. Okay, there are a few questions which are based on your understanding, what we have discussed, what we have already learned in our previous videos and previous classes. That questions are based on that. This is, you can say this is an assessment of your knowledge, what you have gained in your previous classes or previous video, what we have already shown you. So children, there are few questions that you have to answer with yes or no. Answer the following questions. Does a cuboid have any curved face? You will write yes or no. Does a cube have any curved edge? You will write in yes or no. Does a cylinder have any straight edge? You will write yes or no. Yes, if it is yes, so you will write yes. So how many corners are there in the cylinder? Does a sphere have any edge? Does a cone have its base and top of the same shape? How many curves surface does a cylinder have? These type of the question you will give answer in yes or no. So children, let's start doing our question and answer. So first question is, answer the following question. This is our topic. Okay children, now first question, does a cuboid have any curved face? Children, as we have seen that cuboid do not have any curved face. Okay. If I'll draw a cuboid, you can see that cuboid have no any curved lines. Okay, so these are all straight lines. Okay, so the answer you will write, does a cuboid have any curved face? No. You will write no, because we have seen that cuboid does not have any curved face or any curved line. Okay children, so write it down, no. After that, we will write second question. Okay children, our second question is, does a cube have any curved edge? Now children, we will write second question also. Does a cube have any curved edge? So we will see again. As you all know children, the cube is in shape of square, and a square as having, as you all know, all sides are equal. There is no doubt that we will discuss about this. So it is totally straight. So there is no any curved edge. Answer no. Okay children, answer is no. Okay. Now this is our second question. Now third question, does a cylinder have any straight edge? Children, we will write our next question. Does a cylinder have any straight edge? Answer, we will see first cylinder also. Now here we have discussed about that it's having a curved edge, but they are all plane surface. Okay, and here you can see its faces are circular. So does a cylinder have any straight edge? So what we will write children? Circular. Does a cylinder have any straight edge? No children, because this is circular. So we will write no. This is not straight, this is circular. Okay. So children, please write it down, no. Now our next question is, how many corners are there in a sphere? So children, a sphere, as you all know, it is totally sphere, circular. So we can't write anything that it's having a corner. Okay. So it's a circular. So we don't have any corners in the sphere. So we will write fourth question. Fourth question we are going to write, children. How many corners are there in a sphere? How many corners are there in a sphere? Answer, no. If you will see this sphere, so you can't get any corners. It is curved. So it's don't have any corners. So this is called no. The answer we will write no. Okay. So how many corners are there in a sphere? There is no any corner in a sphere. Okay. So children, now our next question is, how many corners are there in the cylinder? So we will write over here. So this is fifth question. Okay. Fifth question, how many corners are there in a cylinder? Okay, children. So I'm going to draw the shape of cylinder. So you can see there are two edges which is curved, and this is also a curved circular sides. Okay. So how many corners are there in a cylinder? We will write. So the cylinder have no corners. It is circular. So that is why we will write no. No corners. It is circular. Okay. So there is no corners in the cylinder shape. Okay, children. Now our next question is, does a sphere have any edge? Children, let's write 6th number question. Does a sphere have any edge? So children, you can see this is the shape of a sphere. Does a sphere have any edge? You just find out. Is this shape is any edge? No, it is not having any edge. It is also curved. So children, we will write no. Answer is no, children. So we will write no. Okay. So does a sphere have any edge? No. It is circular. That is why we don't have any edge. Okay. So write it down. Now our next question, which is 7 number question. 7 number question, does a cone have its base and top of the same shape? Children, let's write 7th number question. Number 7 question. Does a cone have its base and top of the same shape? Same shape. Now children, I am going to draw the shape of the cone. Now here children, you can see the shape of the cone. You will see one edge is there, okay, one vertex is there. Now here children, you can see this, the lower part of this cone is circular, okay. So the question is, does a cone have its base and top of the same shape? No children, because here you can see the shape of the lower part of this cone is totally different from the upper part, because the upper part is having vertex, and now here you can see there is no vertex, okay. So children, because the lower part is circular, so we don't see any shape that is top of the same shape. No, this is not the same shape, so we will write no, okay. So write down no. Now our next question is, how many curved faces does a cylinder have? Okay, so now our next question is, how many curved faces our next question is number 8. How many curved faces does a cylinder have? Okay, how many curved faces does a cylinder have? Answer we will write. Now here again we will draw this shape. This is the cylinder shape, and here you can see how many curved faces are there. Here you can see it has two plane surfaces and curved faces and one curved face, okay. So it's having one curved face. So how many curved faces does a cylinder have? You will write one curved face. A cylinder have one curved face. So children, write it down. Now I am going to write next question, that is, how many plane faces does a cylinder have? How many? 9 number. How many plane faces does a cylinder have? Okay. Does a cylinder have? Now children, here you can see, as we have discussed, that one curved face is there, and here you can see there are two faces which are having a plane surface. So we will write 2. How many plane faces? So here children, you can see that there are how many plane faces does a cylinder have? One curved face is there. So children, here you can see 2 plane surfaces, okay. So here 2 surfaces. So write it down, 2. Okay children. Now this we have done. Now write the name of two objects that have the shape of a sphere. So children, you will write here the names of two objects that have the shape of a sphere. You can write football, you can write ball, okay, which are having circular in shape or a sphere. Now write the name of the two objects that have the shape of a cone. So you can write ice cream cone or a birthday cap. Or the next question is, how many edges does a cylinder have? Are they equal? So you will write the answer. Now we are having 13 and 14 number question that we will do in our next video, in next class, video class. So children, complete this question. We have completed till 9 questions, and next question we will do in our next video. So children, we will meet again. Till then, complete this work. Have a nice day.